Bitcoin has just broken $76,000 and put in a new all-time high. If you were following my channel, you would have known about this because I literally called this breakout 10 days ago in this video right here. And 6 days ago, I told you that this was your last chance. So everyone in my community has been making a shit ton of money. And if you want to know where Bitcoin's going next, make sure to like and subscribe, and let's get into the video.
Bitcoin, please go to moon. Stop going sideways now. Don't ever say we going down to 1K, but Mr. Novogratz say we have bottomed out. Bottomed out, Novogratz is bullish. Bottomed out, don't ever rise is bearish.
Bearish positive 13 times there.
Novogratz is bullish.
Bitcoin could be at 40,000.
Let us go to moon.
So before we get into it, I just want to play this clip from my video, which was 10 days ago. And we are now retesting the top of the trend line as support, which is suggesting that we are likely going to get a breakout to the upside very soon. Now, guys, if we take a look at the chart, we got that breakout exactly as I predicted. Nobody has been calling these markets better than me. I literally told you back in August that this was the bottom, and all of my followers have made a shit ton of money off of these trades. So if you want to know where Bitcoin's going and how to make the most money this bull market, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'm going to break it down exactly where I believe that Bitcoin's going next. So we can see that with the news of the election, Bitcoin broke out. But we were actually always going to break out as soon as we broke above this trend line here. Why? Because we were printing a bull flag pattern. Now, a bull flag pattern is actually a continuation pattern, and it's where you get a run up and you get a bull flag. And once you break that trend line, that's when you get a breakout to the upside. Now, what is the price target for a bull flag? Now, you actually measure from the wick and you put it to the breakout point. Now, this actually gives us a price target for this breakout at around $100,000. Now, why is this level significant? Well, firstly, $100,000 is a psychological number, and it's a number where a lot of people are going to start taking profits. But also, it is actually a Fibonacci level, a Fibonacci retracement from the higher to the lower of our cycle. It actually gives us our first take profit level right above $105,000. So this is where I'm going to be looking to take my first round of profits. But we do know that I do have inside sources, and I have been told that the institutional price target is going to be $150,000. So what am I expecting for Bitcoin? Well, I'm expecting for a massive run up in the coming months to around that 100K level, where I will be expecting some sort of pullback and consolidation, which then will lead to our finally push up to around that $150 mark, which is my green box here. Now, do you mind my drawings? They're not 100% accurate, but that's just a rough idea of what I'm expecting for Bitcoin. But where are we looking at in the short term? Because we know that price never goes up in a straight line exactly. Well, let's have a look what price is doing right now. Now, with the election, I do believe we could get a small buy the rumor, sell the news type of event. We could get a pullback in the short term. And looking at our momentum waves on the daily, we are still quite overbought, but the money flow is in the green and going upwards. Now, the money flow indicates the longer term trend, which is suggesting that the bull trend is going to continue, even if we do get some volatility in the short term. So it wouldn't surprise me if we do actually get a pullback down to potentially my blue box here to retest that level of support, which was our key level that we had to get above, and then get a bounce off of that level and to put in our next leg higher for Bitcoin. Now, when Bitcoin is showing strength, our altcoins are going to massively outperform. So when we do get that move up, expect altcoins to do double to triple what Bitcoin is doing. Now, let's take a look at the Bitcoin dominance chart for a second. Now, taking a look at the Bitcoin dominance, I do believe that we have topped out. Now, why do I believe that? Well, if we actually pull a Fibonacci extension, we can actually see that Bitcoin has come up exactly to my golden pocket, which is the level that price likes to come up to before putting in a lower low. So we may get one final push up just to the top of that box, but I do not expect us to go any higher. And this is not the time to be in Bitcoin. This is the time that you want to be switching into these altcoins, going into the bull market, because this is when altcoins are going to massively outperform and when I'd be expecting this reversal to happen. Now, if you guys want to know the exact altcoins that I'm buying and the coins that I believe are going to be the most profitable and make you the most amount of money this cycle, then you can purchase my top 10 picks for 2024, 2025 for only $149. And as well, if you'd like some one-on-one coaching with me, you can message me on either Instagram or Twitter, and we can organize a time. And as well, guys, if you're looking for an exchange to start trading on that's reliable, you can sign up for Binance using my affiliate link and get 20% off all trading fees. But besides that, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.
Bitcoin, please go to moon. Stop going sideways now. Don't ever say we going down to 1K, but Mr. Novogratz say we have bottomed out, Novogratz is bullish. Bottomed out, don't ever rise is bearish.
Bearish target of 13 punches.
Novogratz is bullish.
Bitcoin could be at 40,000.
Let us go to moon.